Dear students, today I am again with a new topic. Your GK teacher Himanshu Vats. As we all know, we are all undergoing into surrounded by a severe pandemic disease that is COVID-19. We all are hearing about the pros and cons of the disease. ये disease क्यों spread होता है? What are the precautions to be taken? What are the aftermaths of the disease? Every now and then we keep on listening in the news that how many people are infected from this, how many people are vaccinated from this. So as we are already, our last 1.5 year, 1 year has already been spent in talking so much about the disease. Today, the topic is very much related to some other such diseases, the viral diseases in human being. This topic is common for both class 7th and 8th. So this video can be utilized for both the class students. Class 7th और 8th दोनों class students इस video से benefit ले सकते हैं. This topic is mentioned on page number 262 of your GK book. Okay, so let's start. Viral disease. See, first of all, we have to try to understand the term viral. Why this viral word is so special? Why this word is separately given to this category? See, there are different types of diseases in human body. There can be a diseases spread by bacteria, there can be diseases spread by any type of fungus. Okay, but the diseases which are being uh, given by viral virus are said to be viral diseases. जिनका स्प्रेड होने का कारण कोई वायरस होता है, दे आर टर्म्ड एज वायरल डिसीजेस. एंड नाउ व्हाट द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ अ वायरस इज, normally a virus spreads very fast. The nature of the virus is very transferable. It is always, most of the time it is in motion. वो हमेशा एक मूवमेंट में रहते हैं. जो वायरस होते हैं, they are generally of locomotive nature. They keep on, traveling very fast, maybe inside the human body or inside the environment. Okay, so let's start from the first type of disease that is given in your book, that is measles. Measles is a type of disease which largely affects our entire body. Of course, the affected part is entire body. It makes our skin color reddish. Okay, loss of appetite means digestion problem. Reddish eruption on the body. On our body there are reddish eruptions, means like swellings and other such things. Means our skin, हमें अपनी skin ऐसी लगेगी जैसे कोई एलर्जी हो गई हो. The itching will start. Okay, and there will be some severe red marks on our skin. Second is chickenpox. Chickenpox may be the entire body gets affected. The symptoms of chickenpox are, symptom means यानी कि कैसे हमें देखकर ये पता चलेगा a person might be infected by chickenpox, या how does doctor analyze just by a glance. डॉक्टर्स को कैसे पता चल जाता है जस्ट एक बार देखने पर से कि किसी पर्टिकुलर ह्यूमन बीइंग को ये वाला डिसीज हो सकता है. द सिम्टम्स आर हाई फीवर, रेडिश इरप्शन ऑन द बॉडी. अगेन इट इफेक्ट्स द स्किन ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी पर जगह जगह रेडिश मार्क्स हो जाते हैं. सेकेंड वन इज, सॉरी, थर्ड वन इज स्मॉल पॉक्स. अगेन स्मॉल पॉक्स इफेक्ट्स एंटायर बॉडी. सिम्टम्स क्या है इसके? लाइट फीवर, देयर इज अ माइल्ड फीवर टू द पेशेंट दोज हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम स्मॉल पॉक्स. इरप्शन ऑफ बाइल ऑन द बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी पर छोटे छोटे ब्लड के क्लोटिंग्स टाइप के हो जाते हैं, जैसे स्वेलिंग हो जाता है. ओके, जैसे मॉस्किटो बाइट के बाद भी हो जाता है. बाइल्स, या जैसे जलने के बाद कई बार स्किन स्वेलअप हो जाती है, उसमें लिक्विड टाइप का फिलअप हो जाता है. फोर्थ डिसीज इज पोलियो. इट्स वेरी कॉमन इन इंडिया. पोलियो वी नो बाय द नेम कि इफ somebody is handicapped, he or she is not able to move by legs, then they are usually said to be infected by polio. But ऐसा नहीं है, हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता कि जो इंसान चल नहीं पाता है पैरों से प्रॉपरली कि वो पोलियो से इन्फेक्टेड ही हो. पोलियो कैन इफेक्ट अदर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी एज वेल. Polio affects our throat, this part throat, backbone, this part backbone, our backbone, our nerves. Okay, nerves which are connected to brain. What are the symptoms of polio? It causes fever, cells of backbone and intestine gets destroyed. जो हमारी बैकबोन है और जो हमारी इंटेस्टाइन है, वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन इन आवर बॉडी, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. दोनों का अपना अपना एक अलग फंक्शन है. और पोलियो का एक और सिम्टम है कि पर्सन कैन बी सफर फ्रॉम पैरालिसिस. पैरालिसिस मतलब कंप्लीट बॉडी गेट्स लॉकडाउन मीन्स आवर बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू मूव, या तो हमारे हाथ काम करना बंद कर देंगे या पैर काम करना बंद कर देंगे, दे विल बी नो लोकेशन, नो मूवमेंट वुड बी पॉसिबल, वी कांट लिफ्ट अवर हैंड और लेग. uh, in this category, the second last one is influenza or flu. The entire body gets affected by influenza. Okay, it's type of a cough and fever type thing. Usually when we see a person start sneezing, जब लगातार किसी इंसान को छींके आती हैं, उसकी नोज भी रेडिश हो जाती है, उसकी आईज भी रेडिश हो जाती है, तो we can say that a person is suffering from flu. इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट, जिससे हम सांस लेते हैं नोज के थ्रू भी और समटाइम्स माउथ के थ्रू भी, जो हमारा ये जो एरिया है ये सोलन अप हो जाता है, द रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट गेट्स सोलन अप. समटाइम्स इट लीड्स टू टॉन्सिल्स आल्सो इन अवर respiratory area. Nose, throat and eyes are also getted affected. Okay, they also get affected. The last one in this category is rabies. Rabies is a disease which is pretty much common in India, and it is usually spread by dog bite or any other animal bite like monkeys and all. Okay, it affects our nervous system. Nervous system means, see, our entire body is having different type of system: nervous system, circulation system, excretory system. So nervous system is a system by which brain gives order to our organs. हमारा ब्रेन हमारे ऑर्गन्स को ऑर्डर देता है, हैंड्स को, लेग्स को, आईज को, नोज को, कि उसको क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. नर्वस सिस्टम मीन्स द थिंकिंग एबिलिटी ऑफ द बॉडी. ओके, द जजमेंट पावर ऑफ द बॉडी. तो इसमें क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं इन रेबीज? व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? द पर्सन गेट्स फियर्ड ऑफ वाटर, he has high fever and headache, and he has chest infection also, and this can lead to death. Okay, dear students, in the same video, in the next page, I will be discussing 5 to 6 more diseases that are given on your page, so don't go anywhere. Just wait for next 5 more diseases to be covered. Okay, so be with the video. Okay, students, let's discuss some other diseases. The next one in this category, it's hepatitis A. We have listened this disease might be in our Indian system of vaccination and providing the that we called as Tikakaran. Okay, that we usually see of the children up to age of 5 years. They get vaccinated very quickly for different diseases. In that vaccination program, the children are usually being vaccinated. They are given medicines for hepatitis B. There are many varieties of hepatitis. There are hepatitis A, B, then there are numbers. Okay, so this hepatitis A, usually it when it happens, then only after its medicines are provided. It affects the liver. So since it's affect the liver, what are the symptoms? देखिए symptoms का फायदा क्या होता है? Why do we study symptoms as a common man? Why we are so much interested in symptoms? देखिए, if we know the proper symptoms of proper disease, we will get to know that our family member या person who is living with us, he or she might be infected of that particular disease. हमें ये एक अंदाजा हो जाएगा, आइडिया लग जाएगा कि शायद हमारे आसपास जो व्यक्ति है या हमारी फैमिली में कोई अगर पर्सन है एंड ही इज फीलिंग इल या इज अनहेल्थी, तो उनके सिम्टम्स देख के हमें एक आइडिया लग जाएगा कि इनको कौन सा डिसीज हो सकता है. देन वी विल गो टू द डॉक्टर अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, वी विल नॉट इग्नोर दो सिम्टम्स. इसमें क्या होता है हेपेटाइटिस ए में? लॉस ऑफ एपिटाइट. एपिटाइट मीन्स डाइजेशन, नोजिया, whitish stalk and jaundice. Jaundice means it's other name of a very common disease, pilia. Okay, when the blood gets very diminished in the body, and the face and eyes also become yellowish in color. Next disease is dengue, and this is being spread by a female mosquito variety. That female mosquito is responsible for spreading this dengue fever. The affected parts are entire body, head, eyes and joints. See, these are the joints of the body, like this one. These are the joints where these are affected. Knee joint also. Okay, जहां पर हमारे शरीर में दो बोन्स आपस में ज्वाइंट करते हैं, मिलते हैं, दे आर इफेक्टेड. हाई फीवर, बैक एक, हेड एक, eyeball pain, these are some symptoms of dengue fever. And one more thing, one of the cell that is found in our blood, that is platelets. There are WBC, RBC and platelets जिससे हमारी ब्लड तैयार होती है of human beings. The platelets count becomes very low in dengue fever. Okay, sometimes artificially that platelets are being transmitted to the infected patients. Next one is Ebola virus. Ebola virus, in this virus, the whole body is being infected. Let me clear it again. In this whole body is being infected in Ebola virus. What are the symptoms? Fever, liver and kidney starts dysfunctioning, सही से काम नहीं करते liver और kidney, vomiting becomes continuous and there is a headache. जिस पर्सन को हो जाता है उसके दर्द रहता है सर में. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्वाइन फ्लू. ओके, इट्स very newly discovered disease. In recent decade this swine flu has came, so many cases have been discovered. It also affects entire body. इट कोसेस हेडेक, टायर्डनेस, थकान महसूस होती है. सोर थ्रोट यानी हमारा जो नेक रीजन है वो क्या हो जाता है, सोर हो जाता है, सूज जाता है. ओके, स्वेलिंग आ जाती है. वोमिटिंग, ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, पर्सन फील अनईजी टू ब्रीथ. नाउ द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, इट्स COVID-19, the real culprit because of which we are bounded to attend online classes and because of which you are watching the video. Otherwise, we could have attended this lecture physically in our school, in a classroom. So COVID-19, now almost every learned and educated person know ki why it is there. It's because of the, you know, novel coronavirus. The name of the virus, novel coronavirus. It affects the respiratory system. ये वाला कॉलम मैंने ब्लैंक इसलिए छोड़ा है. देर आर सो मेनी सिम्टम्स विच यू ऑल्सो नो. We will write it down while explaining. See, taste loss of taste is there, loss of smell is there. Then there is infection, breathing infection is there. The oxygen level falls down. Okay, the oxygen level falls down. And initially when this virus came, when it started, it was also being said a person who is sneezing continuously, he might be infected by this. Okay, but it is not so. It was just like a rumor. Okay, so our सेंस ऑर्गन, हमारे जो सेंस ऑर्गन है वो रेस्पॉन्ड करना बंद कर देते हैं. हमें स्मेल का पता नहीं चलता, हमें बैड टेस्ट या गुड टेस्ट का पता नहीं चलता. ऑक्सीजन लेवल गेट्स डाउन एंड आवर एंटायर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम्स, ओके, including this lungs and all, they start dysfunctioning. And this is a really a serious virus. If it is not being taken care timely, it can cause a person to the death. Okay, why should we think this as a negative, that why will a person go to death? See, we are a learned person, we are studying about this diseases in our general knowledge. अगर हम समय पर उस चीज को डॉक्टर से डायग्नोज करा लेंगे, डॉक्टर से ट्रीटमेंट करा लेंगे, then these things will not become as severe as they look like by the name. So this is why we are studying it in GK, and we will further study it in our biology and medical science if we opt to choose medical science. So this is a like a chapter. This topic is like awareness, that we should be aware about the, severeness of these diseases, what all this these diseases can cause. We shouldn't ignore these symptoms. Okay, so that's it so much. My purpose was to educate you about virus so that we can now be more safe, we can stay more safe, और हमें अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए कि हमें दो चार डिसीजेस के बारे में पता चल चुका है. ओके, सो आई होप एवरीबडी टू बी स्टे फिट एंड हेल्दी. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.